Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog, and welcome back to another perfect day here in the beautiful state of Utah. Boys, we got a bunch to do in today's video. We pretty much have an update on every single car, starting with the Ford GT. We're racing up to make some models to swap it for the 430 Challenge, and that's because finally, the potentiometer, it's actually fixed. Actually, it really doesn't sound very good. If you saw the last video, it sounds like a dying vacuum cleaner. I have an exhaust coming for the C8, kind of sort of, well, not really very soon, kind of soon. I'm sorry. I'd like to apologize to everybody. Don't worry, we'll be revving the Ford GT and the Ferrari soon. I don't know how to say this. We missed the cold start up on the Onyx White Subaru Outback, but next time.
It's not Onyx White. Onyx is the trim,
but
it is white.
What does Onyx mean?
Onyx is...
It's an XT, it's got a turbo.
It's the trim of the... Yeah, it's an Onyx.
Whoa, bro. If you saw the last time I drove the Ford GT, we had a dead battery. I haven't driven it. Okay, that's a good sign. That's a good sign. I'm looking at the screen and I see the headlights. I don't think the battery's gonna be dead. At least I hope not. Dun dun dun! Yes! That gets me every time, boys. Every time. Watch your head. We're good. We're reversing down my street right now because I'm pretty sure I left the keys in the C8 Corvette. I'm pretty sure the keys are in there and we don't want it stolen. The moment of truth. Yep, the keys are right. Yep, that would have been bad. Also, I'm telling you, the Corvette is riding so high, but don't worry, we have suspension soon. You're never gonna guess the Ford GT has a check engine light. All my cars are dying right now. Oh, I know this is gonna sound cliche, but they just don't make them like they used to. Also, the headphones, those are for the Ferrari, they're not for the Ford GT. Oh, I cannot wait. I haven't driven the Ferrari in like a month. There's just something about seeing the 430 Challenge that gets your heart pounding. You always wonder, is today the day you're gonna end up in jail? This color looks absolutely amazing under the sun. I have an idea. Should we wrap the Ford GT turquoise to match the 430 Challenge? I think it would look good. Ideas are starting to percolate. So we're here at Make Some Models. We're dropping off the Ford GT because you might remember we got another exhaust from FI for the GT and we're gonna be replacing that. So we're dropping off the GT, we're taking the 430 home. The turquoise would look good. I haven't driven the 430 Challenge in about a month because I have nowhere to put it. Wait for it, wait for it. I forgot! Whoa! We're gonna let the 430 Challenge warm up. I'm yelling at you guys right now because this car is so loud, but that turquoise, imagine the Ford GT in turquoise and picture two orange racing stripes as well. That would look so good. I think we need to do that. I think, right? We need to. I'm pretty sure it looks so good. So I have a massive wing coming for the 430 Challenge soon. Maybe tomorrow, maybe today. The tires are a bit cold, so we gotta be a little bit easy. Oh, it's good to be back. I miss this car so much. Oh boy. This car drives so much better. Oh my gosh. The new potentiometer made such a difference. The throttle response is so good. I'm sorry for yelling at you guys. I'm legit gonna lose my voice. Little rough battle with the Tesla. That car may be faster, but this sounds better. See that? Wow. This car is the most pure expression of joy of any car I've ever driven. Oh, I wish you guys could be here to experience it. Whew. I am mentally physical. I say this every time, but it's so true. I am exhausted driving this car. Okay, we gotta chill, boys. Wow, whoa, we're good. I'm excited to announce today's video has been sponsored by Epic Games and their app House Party, linked in the description below. It's available for free download on iOS, Android, macOS, and Chrome devices. House Party is a group video chat app that allows groups of up to 8 people to chat face-to-face simultaneously. It's really interactive and fun. You can play games like trivia, like Quick Draw. I know a lot of people are lonely out there right now. I was supposed to be visiting my family in Oregon this week. Unfortunately, that didn't happen. House Party is the great way to stay connected with your friends with with your family, people you haven't seen in a long time, and it's really, really fun and interactive. Let's see, Burlecker, where you at? Oh, hey, bro.
Yo, what's up?
What's happening, bud? That beard is looking mighty fresh. Are you kidding me? Oscar, how's it going, buddy? I miss you. Where are you at, dude?
No, I'm not watching Oscar. I'm keeping tabs on rent.
Dude, I paid rent. I got you the rent. You know that. You did not send me an invoice, by the way, but I still paid rent. Let that sink in for a moment. Which is the only country to have played in each and every... I don't know soccer. It's got to be Brazil, right? Oh, we got it.
Campeões, Brazil.
How often? Every 4 years. Wait, why? I should not be telling you guys the answers. Okay.
I already knew the answers. Oscar probably doesn't know.
What is Dwayne Wade's nickname? I don't know. Yes!
Well, I have a meeting. We have a job interview.
Are you kidding me?
Yeah, I just fired someone. We got to replace that person. So actually, I have an interview.
You're out.
In a couple minutes.
All right.
Have fun with a one-sided conversation.
Peace out, Girl Scout.
Cookies.
House party truly is a really fun, creative way to interact with your friends during this crazy time. You could cook together, you could exercise together, which is what I should be doing. You could catch up on some of my videos if you feel so inclined. There's just so many great ways to interact with your friends. Link below, add me, the Stradman __, and we can house party together. Massive shout out once again to Epic Games for sponsoring today's video. Let's roll. We have some good news and we kind of sort of have some bad news. 2 months ago, I pre-ordered the new Tesla Model Y. I put down a $100 non-refundable deposit, and then a month ago, delivery started on March 15th. It's April 14th, and I still haven't gotten the call from Tesla. I've gone back and forth. I'm gonna cancel my order. I know, I was excited to race the Aventador. I was excited to race the 430 Challenge, the C8 Corvette. I was excited to get some electric vehicle content on the channel, get a stupid vanity plate. I know, I was excited. But unfortunately, there's just so much financial uncertainty right now. The car was gonna be $75,000. I wasn't like that enthusiastic about the Model Y. Like, I'd rather get a Tesla Roadster. Obviously the Tesla Roadster is 250 grand, but that being said, 75 grand is a nice deposit on a Tesla Roadster. Hint, hint, hint. Whoa, whoa. How do I say enough without saying too much? Am I right? So yes, we're gonna cancel the Tesla Model Y today. There's an electric vehicle in the future, but it's just not gonna be the Model Y. I'm trying to build my dream house right now, and $75,000 is just a lot of money. So, on my account online, if you scroll on down, there's a section that says, to cancel your order, submit a request. In summary, my Tesla is gonna cost me $75,712.86. It's unfortunate that we're here at this point, but we're gonna hit submit a request. Now we have a couple different options to select. I'm going to select unsure about the cost. $75,000 is just a ton of money. We're gonna hit next. We could provide some additional feedback, but why? So we do lose the $100 non-refundable deposit that I paid on February 4th, 2020. Submit cancellation. Are you sure you want to cancel? Wait for it, wait for it, wait for it. We are processing your cancellation request has been submitted on April 14th, 2020. I'm sorry. It had to happen. It had to happen. Officially, the Tesla Model Y has been canceled. I wish it made sense. I wish that I could buy it, but it just doesn't make sense. So we got a bunch of updates. The Gallardo is being twin turboed in Chicago at B-Road built. It is gonna be done in maybe a month and a half. That first full throttle acceleration with that 6-speed gated manual, oh, the sound is gonna be unreal. The Gladiator is being converted to a 6x6 off at Agility Customs here in Utah. Should be done in 2 to 3 months, but the Supra is done, boys. VF Engineering, Anaheim, California. It should be on a truck tomorrow or the next day. I can't wait for it to get home to Utah and to get that first drive with the new tune, and of course to race it up against the C8 Corvette. If you have any good video ideas, let me know in the comments below. Now, I wanted to finish today's video kind of talking about the operating costs associated with my car collection. I currently have 8 cars: the Aventador, the Gallardo, the Ford GT, the Gladiator, the 430 Challenge, the C8 Corvette, the Focus RS, and the Toyota Supra. Now there's a bunch of costs associated. We have the initial purchase price, of course, sales tax, insurance, maintenance, as well as a bunch of other miscellaneous costs like fuel. And I wanted to just do a breakdown, just give you guys a summary. I thought maybe you'd find it interesting. I am kind of sort of struggling for content right now, so that's kind of sort of why we're going this way. If you do enjoy today's video, please smash the like button. Let me know in the comments below if you want to see more videos like this. If you don't, also let me know, but still smash the like button. Okay, I'm Anyways, moving on in the vlog. Full disclaimer, I do not own this house. This is not my house. Nick the Burlacker owns this house. If that upsets you, if that triggers you, that I own 8 cars and don't own a house, if you're a financial guru, I'm building my dream house right now and it's taking time. So also let's take 2. Let me know your frustrations in the comments below. Quick disclaimer, this is just operating costs. This does not include the cost to modify a car. So putting the Hellcat in the Gladiator, twin turboing the Gallardo, wrapping any of the cars, none of those costs are calculated. This is just purely operational costs. I've done my research. I never prepare for videos, but today I'm trying to hook you guys up. So we're gonna start off with the Gallardo first and foremost. I paid $110,000 for that car. There was no sales tax because when I bought that car, I was a resident of the state of Oregon and there's no sales tax there. My insurance is $123.36 per month. In the past year, I've spent $1,248 servicing that car. That's just the annual servicing. Now, the past year on the Gallardo has been pretty easy to me. I think it was 2 or 3 years ago I had to replace the clutch, and that was $11,600 just for parts and labor replacing the clutch. Moving on to the Aventador, I paid $240,000 for that. Sales tax, Utah is 7.25%, $17,400. Insurance on that car, $271.12. I had to put a new set of tires on that car, $2,409. This year I did the annual servicing and I replaced a leaky water pump. Grand total maintenance, $5,940. The Ford GT, I just bought this car in December. I paid $220,000 for it. Sales tax, $15,950. Insurance on that car is only $126.55 per month. I had to get that new set of tires, $1,958. There was an oil change and a minor oil leak, $670.12. The Gladiator, I paid $64,345. Sales tax was only $2,859 because I traded in my JK Wrangler, and so I got a sales tax kickback because of the difference. Insurance, $57.18 per month. I did have to do an oil change for $79. Bear in mind, it's a 2020 Gladiator. I'm under warranty. Obviously, that warranty is voided because of the Hellcat. But anyways, Focus RS, I paid $33,500 for that. I traded in my R8 when I bought that car, and so the sales tax netted to 0, so I didn't pay sales tax on that car. Insurance on the Focus RS, this is interesting, State Farm, $101.78 per month. That is almost exactly what I pay on the C8 Corvette. Focus RS, C8, I don't know. I had to do an oil change on the Focus RS for $79 as well. The 2020 Toyota Supra, I paid $67,455. Sales tax, $4,890. Insurance is $100.38 per month. I had to get one oil change for $312. The C8 Corvette, $85,000. Sales tax, $6,163. And like I said, insurance, $108.06 per month. Obviously, I just bought this car last month. Maintenance-wise, we haven't had anything. The 430 Challenge, I paid $75,000 for this car. I think a lot of people think I paid way more than that, but nobody wants a car like this. Sales tax, $5,437. Insurance, $119.37. I had to get a new set of tires on this for $1,412. And the potentiometer, all parts and labor, $3,860. Now, as far as the annual summary, insurance, I pay $1,007 per month. Grand total, $12,093 per year. Now, I didn't break down gas per vehicle, but in the past calendar year, I've driven 56,419 miles. Obviously, I did multiple cross-country road trips in the Corvette, in the Supra. $9,998 is what I've spent on gas in the past 12 months. Maintenance, $12,191. And then tires, $5,780. Now, the past 12 months, I've been relatively lucky on the cars. Like, nothing major has happened. Obviously, a lot of the cars that I own are brand new, so they're somewhat under warranty, even though warranties are voided, but like the tires are still brand new. And overall, maintenance-wise, it's been very, very cheap. Now, looking forward into the future, the next calendar year, if it's this good, I'll be very happy, because like the Aventador, if I continue to launch it for you guys and I blow the trans, that's like $40,000. So maybe we're not gonna launch the Aventador anymore. Obviously a different style video than we're used to, but given the times and the circumstances, I'm kind of sort of running low on content ideas. But obviously, like, I have 8 cars. I spend a lot of money maintaining the cars, but honestly, it's not as bad as you think. I think because I drive the cars so much that they're relatively reliable. I think. If you guys did enjoy this video and you want to see like a modification cost video, let me know in the comments below. But as always, I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did like Squad, be sure to smash that like button. But just like that, this vlog is over, and I'm out.